Durud. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Speak Persian Now. So we are in the series of learning how to write Persian letters. So today I'm going to cover these letters fe, okay, the isolated one, or if I want to use the English one, with the capital one, the small one, so fe and fe, the disconnected one. Then we have got Raf. So this sound might be a little hard to pronounce because you should pronounce it from the back of your throat. Uh, so Raf, so could be challenging. And by the way, I have got two names. One of my names is Nari, so it sounds a little hard. I want to write that name here. So Na, one, two, three. So this letter Re is a little hard to pronounce. So the letter's name is Raf, but it is pronounced. The sound is Re. So this is the big one, the small one. And the next letters that hopefully I'm going to cover is K, the sound K, but the letter is called Kaf, the big one, the small one, and Gaf. Okay, that is K sound and G sound. Okay, K and G. Okay, so let's see how we are supposed to write the letter Raf or the sound Re. So as you might notice, we have got a small, let's say, circle, a very small one, and then a semicircle. So a small and a big one. So let's do it together. So if this is the baseline, you have to start like a small line like this, then circle it, and then semicircle, put two dots on the top. That is rough. So guys, if you practice here, it would be easier to write. So one more time, let's see it from above, on the red line. So you start like this, a little line, then circle it, then continue to curve it, and voila. You have got the sound re. And so if how to write the disconnected form, again the same as uh, before, but you can see here, we start a little bit above the line, okay, unlike uh, the isolated, graph here, the big one. So we start a little above the red line, a circle, go down and do this. Okay, this was a little too much. So a little down, I start from here. Okay, a circle and like this. Two dots over there. So if I want to make it a little bigger, so you have to connect it. Unfortunately, it is so. Let's say you put the circle here, and that is off. Okay, I think the ones that I did here were much easier to do. So for example, with the small one, let me write a word for you, like the word قاشق. That means spoon. So قاشق, we have got this disconnected form. So disconnected form, okay, you have got this. The point is when you start, so you might start a very small one here, but unfortunately I cannot connect it. So I hope by following the examples here, you may be able to write it better. The next, let's say, letter is Kaf. the big one, the small one. So this one is easier to do. So but how do you do it? You may do something like this. Look, a line this way, you continue, and then this line. So that is okay. So it's a matter of drawing the lines carefully. So as you might see, like this, like a line. Okay, one line here, one line here, go up a bit, and then you write this. So if I write it a little bigger, so without paying attention to the lines, so this way you write it. So as you can see here, you can follow the same examples. And the short form is also so easy, as you can see. So here you have got a little curvy, but you know, if it is hard for you, you can just use straight lines and another one. So okay, like this. So in one attempt and the second one. So che. The same goes with the next one, that is gaf or ge sound. The only difference is that there is another line above the symbol. So we have got ke, ke, ke. So if I use another straight line, it becomes ge. Another straight line, it becomes ge. Another straight line, it becomes ge. So it is the same as ke with an extra line. So this is the, okay, one, sorry. Let me write it a bit bigger because it's not easy to write. So one more time, like this. One, and so the second line is a smaller, okay guys, the second line is smaller. So yeah, you might do it like this, okay, as big as the one here, but this is not necessary. So just write it, okay, one big line and one small is enough. So ke and ge, so this is ge, the big one and the small one, and the next letter or the last letter for today is le or lam. So the letter's name in the alphabet is lam. So, but the sound is le. So as you might see, a straight line and a curvy line. So how do you do it? So you see here a straight line and a curvy one, le. So one more time, a straight line and a curvy one. A straight line and a curvy one. So that's very simple. And for the small le, again, a straight line and, okay, like so. One vertical line, one horizontal line. One vertical line, one horizontal line. So this one is simple. Hopefully you can practice and do it better than I actually do in this, let's say, presentation. So see you soon and goodbye.